In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to connect your audience with your social media profiles or enhance the interactivity of your site, incorporating these icons is a fantastic way to bridge the gap between your website and your social media presence. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be confidently displaying your social media links for all visitors to see. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Wix editor. Depending on the version you're using, this could be either the classic or studio version. Once you're in the editor, look to your left-hand menu. Here, you'll find the option to add various elements to your website. To insert social media icons, click the plus add button, then navigate to the social section and select social icons. And this will give you access to a variety of pre-designed icons that you can use for different social media platforms. Next, you'll choose whether you want to add a social bar, which is a set of multiple icons, or just a few individual ones. A social bar is convenient if you want to maintain a consistent look for multiple platforms, but individual icons are perfect if you want to customize the placement or appearance differently for each. Simply pick the option that best suits your design vision for the page you're working on. Once you've made your selection, you can drag and drop these icons onto a specific section of your page. You might want to place them in the header or footer for consistency across your site, or place them within specific sections where you feel social media engagement is most relevant. Once in position, click on each icon to begin customizing them. Now let's get into the customization details. Click on any icon and select Set Social Links. In this section, you'll enter the URLs for your various social media profiles. Doing this ensures that when a visitor clicks an icon, they're redirected straight to your social media page. You can also add additional icons if you haven't included all your social media platforms yet, or remove any that you don't need. Beyond just linking, you have the option to style your icons under the Design section. This is where you can get creative and make sure that the icons fit seamlessly with the rest of your website's aesthetic. You can change their color to match your branding, add hover effects for interactivity, or even adjust their shape to complement your site's overall feel. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated social media icons into your Wix website, providing a seamless connection between your site and your social media pages for all your visitors. Now go ahead and experiment with different styles and placements and watch as your engagement with your audience grows. Thanks for watching, and happy building!